Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students, have a good day. I hope you all are maintaining the social distancing. Before, wash your hands while you are going to eat and after playing. Okay students, now we are moving to the topic 3.6.5, solving problem involving quadratic equation. This is also a unit 3 algebra. So totally you have 3 steps. So step number 1, convert the word problem to a quadratic form. First, you have to convert the given problem in terms of a quadratic equation. Then step 2, solve the quadratic equation obtained in any of the 3 methods. What are the 3 methods means? Previous classes or previous videos we see this method, factorization method, completing square method and formula method. We have to use this 3 method to solve the quadratic equation or to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Then step 3, relate the mathematical solution obtained to the statement asked in the solution. Then after you finding the solution, relate the answers with the questions or the statement asked in the solution. You have to write finally the conclusion using the statement given in the question. For example, find the age of Kamali. For something they ask means at last you have to write therefore age of Kamali is equal to 16 years. Like that you have to conclude your word problem. Example 3.36, page number 115. The product of Kumaran's age in years 2 years ago and his age 4 years from now is 1 more than twice his present age. What is his present age? So you have to find his present age. The given data is the product of Kumaran's age 2 years ago and his age 4 years from now is 1 more than twice his present age. This is the given data. So solution, let the present age of Kumaran be x years 2 years ago. So 2 years ago his age is equal to x minus 2 years. 4 years from now his age is equal to x plus 4 years. Given the product of these two ages will be equal to 1 more than twice his present age. So 1 plus 2 into x. Present age is x. So 1 plus 2x. Now you got a factor. So you should multiply it means you get a quadratic equation. So x into x is x square. X into 4, 4x minus 2 into x minus 2x. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 is equal to 1 plus 2x. X square plus 4x minus 2x is plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 1 plus 2x. So we are shifting this to left hand side. X square plus 2x minus 8 plus 1 will become minus 1 and plus 2x will become minus 2x is equal to 0. Plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. X square minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9 is equal to 0. 9 is nothing but 3 square. So it is in the form of a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So x minus 3 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. You get x is equal to 3 comma minus 3. But x won't be negative. So therefore x is equal to 3. Therefore Kumaran's present age is 3 years. Example 3.37, page number 115. A ladder 17 feet long is leaning against a wall. If the ladder, vertical wall and the floor from the bottom of the wall to the ladder form a right triangle. Find the height of the wall where the top of the ladder meets if the distance between bottom of the wall to bottom of the ladder is 7 feet less than the height of the wall. So the given question is a ladder is leaning on the wall. So a ladder is 17 feet long. So see the diagram. This is the wall A, B and C. This is a floor. So a ladder is leaning on the wall. A ladder is 17 feet. Then a vertical wall. We doesn't know the vertical wall measurement. So let it be x. Then the top of the ladder meets if the distance between bottom of the wall to the bottom of the ladder is 7 feet less than the height of the wall. So this will be the height of the wall. Then bottom of the wall, that is bottom of the wall, distance between the bottom of the wall and the ladder is 7 feet less than the height of the wall. So height of the wall will be x. So 7 feet less means x minus 7. Solution, let the height of the wall AB is equal to x feet. As per given data, BC is equal to x minus 7 feet. In the right angled triangle ABC, AC is equal to 17 feet, BC is equal to x minus 7 feet. A ladder is leaning on a wall means it forms a right angle triangle. So here we are using a Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC value you know 17. So 17 square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is x. So x square plus BC value is x minus 7. So x minus 7 the whole square. Then 17 square is 289 is equal to x square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So you have to expand it. Plus x square plus 7 square is 49 minus 2ab. So minus 14x. So 289 is equal to x square plus x square is 2x square minus 14x plus 49. You have to shifting 289 to right hand side. 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 289 is equal to 0, which is implies 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 289 gives minus 240 is equal to 0. So this is a form of quadratic equation. Divide by 2. Because the quadratic equation is a multiple of 2. So divide by 2 means you get x square minus 7x minus 120 is equal to 0. Now you got the quadratic equation. Now we split the factors of the quadratic equation. Here the product of roots is minus 120 and sum of roots is minus 7. So 15, 8. 15 into 8 is 120. So you have to get minus 7. So minus 15 plus 8. Then the factors are x minus 15 into x plus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 15 comma minus 8. Therefore, x won't be negative. Therefore, height of the wall AB is equal to 15 feet. Example 3.38, it is in page number 115. A flock of swans contained x square members. As the clouds gathered, 10x went to a lake and 1/8 of the members flew away to the garden. The remaining 3 pairs played about in the water. How many swans were there in total? So in a question, a flock of swans is nothing but a collection of swans containing x square members. So we doesn't know how many swans are there. As clouds gathered, 10x went to a lake. So some set of swans went to a lake. 1/8 of the members flew away to the garden. So 1/8 of the swans went to garden. The remaining 3 pairs. So remaining 3 pairs means 3 2s are 6. 6 swans only they played in water. So how many swans were there in total? We have to find the total number of swans. hope you understand the question. So solution as given, there are x square spans. As per given data, first you have x square spans. In that 10x went to lake, so minus 10x. Then 1/8 of the members flew away to the garden. So minus 1/8 of spans is x square, which is equal to remaining 3 pairs played about in water. So 3 into 2. In a pair you have 2 spans. So 3 into 2, which is implies x square minus 10x minus 1/8 x square is equal to 6. Next, you have to take LCM. So 8x square minus 80x minus x square is equal to 8 6 are 48. So 8x square minus x square is 7x square minus 80x. You have to shift to left hand side. So plus 48 become minus 48 is equal to 0. Then we have the formula. We know the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So first they are given the question. The second step is you have to convert the given word problem in the form of a quadratic equation. Then you have to find the solution. Here we are using the solving quadratic equation by formula method. So we know that a is equal to 7, b is equal to minus 80 and c is equal to minus 48. So you know the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, which is equal to minus of minus 80 plus or minus root of b square is minus 80 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 7 and c value is minus 48 divided by 2 into 7. So which is equal to minus into minus plus 80 plus or minus root of 80 square, that is minus 80 the whole square is 6400 minus into minus plus 4 7s are 28. So 28 into 48. So 8 8s are 64, 4 remainder 6, then 8 2s are 16, so 22 plus 28 into 4 is 112. If you add this means you get 4 4 3 1. So 1344 divided by 7 2s are 14, which is equal to 80 plus or minus root of, if you add this you get 7744 divided by 14, which is equal to 80 plus or minus root of 7744 is nothing but 88 square. 88 into 88. 8 8s are 64, 6 again 8 8s are 64, 64 plus 6 is 70 plus again 704. If you add this you get 4477. So 88 square. So 88 square means square and square root gets cancelled. So you have to take 88 divided by 40. Therefore x is equal to 80 plus 88 divided by 14. X is equal to 80 minus 88 divided by 14, which is equal to 80 plus 88 is 168 by 14, which is equal to minus 8 by 14. If you simplify this, you get 12 times x is equal to 12. Here minus 4 by 7. Therefore, x won't be negative. So, x is not equal to 4 by 7, which just implies x is equal to 12. Therefore, total number of swans is equal to x square, which is equal to 12 the whole square is equal to 144. Example 3.39, page number 116. A passenger train takes 1 hour more than an express train to travel a distance of 240 km from Chennai to Virudhachalam. The speed of passenger train is less than the that of an express train by 20 km per hour. Find the average speed of both the trains. So I have to find the average speed of both passengers as well as express train. So a passenger train takes 1 hour more than that of an express train traveling the same distance 240 km from Chennai to Virudhachalam. Solution: let the average speed of passenger train be x km per hour. Then the average speed of express train will be x plus 20 km per hour. Because the speed of a passenger train is less than that of an express train by 20 km per hour. So it travels 20 kilometers more than the passenger train. Then time taken by the passenger train to cover distance of 240 km, which is equal to 240 by x hour. Time taken by express train to cover the distance of 240 km is equal to 240 divided by x plus 20 hour. So given a passenger train takes 1 hour more than an express train to travel a distance of 240 kilometers. Given 240 by x is equal to 240 divided by x plus 20 plus 1. So we are shifting this to left hand side. 240 by x minus 240 by x plus 20 is equal to 1. We are taking 240 common out. So remaining 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 20 is equal to 1. Cross multiplication: 240 into x plus 20 minus x divided by x into x plus 20 is equal to 1. Plus x minus x gets cancelled. So 240 into 20 is equal to cross multiplication x into x plus 20. 4800 is equal to x into x is x square, x into 20 is plus 20x. So x square plus 20x, we are taking 4800 to right hand side, minus 4800 is equal to 0. Next you have to split the factors. Minus 4800 is your product of roots and sum of roots is 20. So 80 into minus 60. Because 8 6 are 48. 8 minus 6 is plus 2. So 80 into minus 60 is minus 48,000. If you add means you get 20. So the factors are x plus 80 into x minus 60 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 80 comma 60. But speed won't be negative, that is x is not equal to minus 80, which is implies x is equal to 60. Therefore average speed of the passenger train is 60 km per hour and average speed of the express train is 80 km per hour.